Good morning, guys. It's good to have a cup of coffee here in my garden. Today, I'm gonna show you my different varieties of Dendrodiums. So, these one are whites. I don't have an ID for each of them. And the yellow color have brown in the center, and this one white and lilac. So they're very beautiful. So this one is yellow and have a darker maroon in the center, and this one so cute, purple and white color. And this one is a beautiful variety, yellow with some maroon stripes. And this one pink and white. They are just regular Dendrodiums, but they still very beautiful. And this one have a dark pink and have a large petals. This one is a dark purple, and this one have maroon color. I also have here some white and purple, have also a large petals, and another all white color. And this one I like this one. This is a very dark purple. So very nice. I have here also some don't have a flower, they're just medium size Dendrodiums. So I plant them in plastic pots and some in clay pots. I also have here a special Dendrodium, and don't have a flower yet, but soon it will flower. And the ID, the name is this is the flower, Dawn Marie Cross the Formosum. So I plant in a pot. It's a tall dendrodium and it's very healthy. Here are my Dendrodium seedlings. They're just kikis, and I plant them in a small plastic pots or a plastic net pots. So I'm gonna show you in my next videos how to plant these kikis. So this one are already medium size, and this one are my seedlings. I have also the special dendrodiums, which are blooming size already but still don't have a flower. So they are my special dendrodiums. Right over there, I have also a flowering dendrodiums. These are already ordered from me to Dingli Iloilo and Haniway Iloilo. So these are green, and I love this stripes, pink stripes. Another kind, or it's another variety. This one. I like this one, and also this one. This one are to be delivered to my customers. I also have this Dendrodium inobi, which I ordered in online, and it's a disaster when and no leaves, because the shipment takes 7 days. But hopefully there's already kikis sprouting from the plant. So a new plants are sprouting already. And here, this is where I propagate my dendrodiums. I just plant it in a coconut husk, and it's have already some kikis. So next video I will show you how I made this planting medium. So here there's lots of stalks that don't have any flower anymore, and it's done flowering already, so we have to take it off and put it in another container so that it will make some kikis. And this one, oh, this is a disaster also. This is my special dendrobium, but I cut it off because the stems are rotting, so I have to cut it off so that it will not, the damage will not go up. This is a very nice special dendrobium. I also have these miniature dendrobiums. They don't have flowers yet. So this is for now. Next time I will show you my vandas. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.